Hi guys, it's Christopher over at Funtown RV. Right now we are in our campgrounds right beside our Cleburne Superstore. We're going to be doing a walkthrough on the 365PACK16. Let's take a look. So as we continue on door side, we're gonna have our propane. It's gonna have dual propane, so one on each side, and then our pass-through storage. And then of course having our leash latch right here. So for all our furry friends, and then our driven outside speakers that are gonna be waterproof. This is gonna be our quick connect for an outside spray nozzle. And then we have our hot point. Mini fridge, this is our ice maker. Huge, massive feature to have. It's a great thing to have. Our storage up top, and then counter space right here. And then we'll continue on to take a look at our patio. All right, guys, huge, lovely feature to have here. We have our patio. So it's not like any other. We have 16-foot garage right behind me, but the big thing you're not getting to see, you'll get to see in just a second, is the patio is out facing our pond right now. It's a great thing to have at the campsite or if you're just tailgating. All right, guys, one of the bells and whistles that you're gonna see on this PACK16, this is actually gonna be our fueling hose. This is where you'll fill it up, and this is how you're gonna turn it on. So you're able to use all those toys, keep the fun going even longer. Even though you run out of fuel, just head right back to the camper, fill that bad boy back up, and back to having fun. All right, guys, those bells and whistles are gonna be hidden all over on this PACK16. This one's hidden up front. This is gonna be your 5500 Yamaha generator that's gonna be able to power you whether you're off the grid or if you're just at a tailgating event and wanna keep the party going. All right, guys, we just took a look at the outside of that 365PACK16. Make sure you like, follow, and share. Let's go take a look inside. All right, guys, thanks for joining us inside. First thing we're gonna see as soon as we come in here, we have our dinette right here. It comes with 2 chairs. It's gonna be under our front bed right here for your other seating. Right here, you're gonna have your control panel, our wattage reading, our stereo control, but under that, we're gonna have our fireplace. So whether you wanted the ambiance of a fire, or if you actually wanted to produce heat, we have you covered. As we continue on, our Thomas Paine seating right here with our light control, our vibration, and heat. Luckily, guys, I'm gonna keep showing you a couple things, and then I'm gonna come back here and maybe relax for a little bit. And then, guys, right next to me, we're gonna have our pantry. Plenty of storage in here. We have the drawers underneath, and then lights right here so you can always see what's in there. Then, guys, right here, we're gonna have our ever-chill fridge and freezer. Plenty of space in there. Plenty of room. And then right down here, even more room. And then let's continue on into our kitchen. All right, guys, as we continue on in the kitchen, I want you to notice how much storage and counter space you have here. Plenty of room. We're gonna have our microwave, our stove and oven. Right here, we'll put down our cover because I wanna show you one of these bells and whistles. So this guy right here just pops right off. We have a cutting board, or if you just need to clean your backsplash, it makes it super easy. When you're done with that, it pops right back on. Then right here, we're gonna have our solid surface cover for our sink, so we're not losing any of this counter space. And then right behind me, guys, we're gonna move right here. We're gonna have our loft up here. The ladder for our loft we store in the garage. Speaking about garages, let's go take a look. All right, guys, now that we're in the garage, I wanna show you some of those hidden gems that maybe you didn't notice online. Right here, this is gonna be washer dryer prepped. And then we have our half bath right here. But the key thing about the half bath is we're not losing our garage space. Secures just like that. Toilet is still right there. We have our sink, but you're able to bring that toy all the way up inside. All right, guys, I'm still out here on this patio, loving life. This 365PACK16 already includes a rear camera, but as we continue on, we're gonna see our sofas right here. Super easy transitional. So this folds down just like that, and then this rolls over, and now we're able to go to bed, or maybe if we just wanna chill, lay down and enjoy the outdoor. All right, guys, so we have this humongous bed right here, and then from our control over there, we're able to lower our top bunk. But then if it's not bedtime, We flip these bad boys back up. Easy fold down. So we have our cup holders there. And then we're able to enjoy this room as our activities. I want to point out real quick, this is your bed control, just up and down, super easy. And then that also lifts up these couches, so whenever you're bringing that toy inside. But done talking about these beds, let's go check out the bed in that master bedroom. All right, guys, as we make our way to this master bedroom, we're gonna go ahead and take the secret path through our bathroom. So with our corner shower here, we have plenty of storage above the toilet, and then plenty of storage above our sink. Now let's go check out that master bedroom. All right, guys, plenty of room in here, guys. I'm 6'4". You can see we have our second AC right here, our king size bed. And as we continue in, we're gonna have our storage above the bed, our hanging room on the side, and then plus hanging room beside our bed. All right, guys, thanks for joining me as we did the walkthrough on the Cherokee 365 PACK16. Remember to like, follow, and share, and the fun starts here.